good evening from Manila. It's almost midnight here and we are at the start of the trading week. So if you guys are new to this Facebook page or this YouTube channel, like and subscribe so you get updated on the latest on what's happening in the markets, so you get to trade the markets with ease and confidence. Again, the goal and the heart of all of these videos is to help you win in the markets and so that you can use the stock market to reach your goals of financial freedom. Alright, quick update, quick invitation to Stock Smarts in Melbourne this June 9 to 11 and Stock Smarts in Manila this June 16, 23 and 30. So if you're from Manila or Melbourne, join us. And lastly, Icon 2018 Investment Conference, the largest investment conference here in the country, most empowering, most passionate, with the heart of also giving you a lot of options so you can actually pick which investments will work for you. Cryptocurrencies, stock market, business, tech, digital entrepreneurship. So you can pick which among those investments are something that will fit your risk profile and will also help you grow the money that you have as well. So it will be this Saturday, Samsung Hall in SM Aura Taguig. Alright, so I want to talk about three things. One is the index and then two specific stocks that you guys have sent over social media. Again, for those who are new to this, I tally the top votes that you guys sent out over my website, the PMs, the comments that you've posted, and then we would tally them for our top stocks that we would analyze. Again, this is all under the guise, this is all under the concept of technical analysis, meaning everything is based on the price of the stock, its historical movement, and the trend. Alright, so now let's go to the PSEI first. Let's see what the index is actually telling us and what it's actually saying in this perspective. So you have to understand that for people who are referencing FMETFs and also mutual funds, index funds, it's a good barometer, especially for those also who are looking at larger cap stocks, because the large cap stocks are also factored into the PSEI. So it's a good barometer also for you having, I guess, a notion of what's happening in the market as well. So here's the chart. Let's see it. So if you look at it here, you have this moving averages 1, 2, 3 that are relatively bearish, and the only thing preventing it from falling is this support line here, this moving average protecting the market from falling. So if it fails to hold off the 676 level, I really believe that the market, the PSEI, has a shot to go back at around 7,500 again. And as confirmed even by the MACD, it's still relatively bearish from a trend perspective. So why am I saying this? You have to take into consideration what's happening in the broad terms, in the trend as well. We all know that bears are still in control. We know though that 7.5 is the support. So please watch out for it. If the 7.6 moving average does not hold, there's a big possibility that it will drop back to 7,500. And now if it does not hold 7.5, probable movement will be 7.4, and then the next support is at 7,200 already. So watch out for that. Try to analyze that and try to see how it could possibly go over the next few days. So for those who are position traders, since the market is still bearish, it's still in a downtrend, there's still no confirmation of reversal, stay away. For those who are watching support and resistance levels, watch out if it bounces off of this level or if it has to retrace further and go down to the 7,500 levels. Alright, so two stocks I mentioned about that. We'll talk about the PSEI, we'll talk about the index. Two more stocks. First one, I got a lot of questions regarding MRC. So for you guys who have MRC, comment below. I hope you guys benefit from this, and I hope those that requested for this are actually listening as well, so that you guys get a notion on what's actually happening for MRC. So now, MRC over the trend perspective, from a short, mid, and long-term perspective, is still pretty much into an uptrend. You see the stock here progressing in this upward motion above all of our parameters, showing that it's still relatively bullish. So why am I saying this? For those who are position traders, we don't have a sell signal from the stock yet, but for those who are quick traders, congratulations to those who spotted this. The next possible movement will be around this area, and you can possibly see MRC go to around 0.88 or to around 0.90 over the short term. So why am I saying this? If this upward movement, this breakout from the short-term moving averages will progress, the next target price for MRC will bring it to around 0.88 or 0.90 over the short term. So position traders holding MRC, no sell signal yet. Quick traders, since it just broke out again, factor in the 0.88 to 0.90, 0.92 resistance level. That could be your take profit signal. Alright, so that's how it is. What I like about stocks is it's just really you using technical analysis to your advantage, you using the charts to your advantage, you using what it's saying. And I was with someone, his name is Bernard Leon. He asked me about why do I trade cryptos and what do I do with it. The same rules for technical analysis is the same way I trade the market as well. No hype, no speculation, no catalyst. It doesn't matter to me. I just take the charts for what it is. If the chart has a buy signal, I buy. If the chart has a sell signal, I sell. It's that discipline that that allows me to trade even if I'm busy, because I don't have time to look at the nitty-gritty of all of the other things, but all I just need to know is just to see the charts in its purest form without any bias or sentiment, and I just buy and sell based on that as well. Now, house now, for those who've requested house 899 holdings, it had a relatively large volume today, so house closed with a very large value turnover, which could be a precedent for something. It could be something or it could be not, but from a chart perspective, here's what I know. There's a resistance at 7.3 pesos per share. Again, for house, there is a resistance at 7.3 pesos per share. Look at where can you find it. It's over here. So one thing is for sure now, house started to bounce from this level after it retraced a bit, but it's now pushing towards this area. So why am I saying this? If house starts to break out from 7.3 pesos per share, it will progress higher, and if you are a quick trader, you can hold on to your positions. But if you're a quick trader, does not break out from 7.3, you may sell as it is a resistance and it may bring the stock lower. But however, if it breaks out of 7.3, the next target price will be around 7.6 pesos per share. Let me zoom out a bit so you get to see it from a broader and bigger context. Zoom out a bit. There. Your next target price will be around 7.6. If it, after breaking out of 7.6, now you have a larger screen tackle. There's a possibility of house going to around 9 pesos per share. So why am I saying this? For those analyzing house, if it fails to break out of 7.32, take profits. Again, if it fails to break out of 7.32, whoa, what happened to my screen? Whoa. Let me fix the screen first, guys. There you go. Yeah, I'm clear again. Since I don't edit videos, so for those who've been following the video series, I don't edit it because I just record it raw, then directly upload it as well. So it doesn't get edited. So this is as raw as it can get. So yung mga malabong screen na yan, I apologize, but it will be part of the uploaded video. So going back to house, fails to break out 7.30, quick trader, take profits. Breaks out of 7.3, next target price is 7.6. Breaks out of 7.6, now there's a very big margin at around 9 pesos per share. And that's how you trade the markets. You just trade it based on what your technicals are telling you, base it based on what the charts are telling you as well. Alright, so two stocks, one index, and I hope I'll try to do more live market updates as they happen, as the market closes, the charts start to form themselves, so at least you get a broader and firmer opinion on what the market is all about. Then for those who've been asking some questions that you guys said, I've created some videos about it as well, about searching for the bottom, volume, and all of those things are all in my YouTube page. So if you guys have any questions about the markets, just comment below and I'll try to make as much videos as I can as possible, because I'm trying to do something. I've been having fun making videos like this because it's been an outlet na rin for me. It allows me na on my downtime, on times that I get to express what I want to share to all of you, and it's just a nice feeling that this is something that gets across not just in the Philippines but to other markets as well. So to other people, other investors who are not Filipinos, who are in other countries, thank you for watching these videos, and I'm glad that it's something that gives value as well to your trades. That's why you can expect, even in marvingirmo.com, we're doing a lot of analysis already and articles about stocks outside the Philippines as well, so that you have a broader perspective also of what's happening in the markets in general. Alright, so that's it for now. This is Marvin Girmo from BGC. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all this Saturday for Icon 2018. God bless you all.